Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smart food processors that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the ChefRobot Smart Food Processor Ultra Cook. This multifunctional kitchen appliance offers over 15 functions, including slow cooking, blending, steaming, and sous vide, making it an incredibly versatile option for advanced users. It features a built-in scale for precision, a 3.5-liter bowl capacity, and a self-cleaning function, saving both time and effort. The 7-inch TFT screen makes navigation seamless, while the included app provides access to over 600 online recipes, ensuring you'll never run out of culinary inspiration. In terms of design, the ChefRobot takes a futuristic approach with its sleek, white finish and robust build quality. However, its significant weight of 21.2 pounds and relatively large dimensions make it less ideal for compact kitchens. Despite its advanced features, the ChefRobot's performance can be inconsistent, particularly with delicate tasks, as noted in customer reviews. The self-cleaning function, while convenient, might not handle stubborn residue as effectively as manual cleaning. Overall, the ChefRobot is best suited for tech-savvy home cooks who want an all-in-one solution with app integration and smart functionality. The lack of dishwasher-safe components and occasional performance hiccups are its main drawbacks. If you prioritize versatility and enjoy experimenting with recipes, this is worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the Wonderchef Chef Magic all-in-one kitchen robot. Designed with busy households in mind, this smart food processor combines multiple kitchen tools into one compact device. With preloaded recipes curated by celebrity chef Sanjeev Kapoor and weekly updates via Wi-Fi, it offers culinary diversity that spans global cuisines. The intuitive smart screen interface provides step-by-step instructions, making cooking simple and efficient. Its stirring feature is excellent for Indian recipes that require continuous sautéing or bhuna. The Chef Magic boasts a durable stainless steel jar with a 4.7-liter capacity, but its hefty weight of 16.5 pounds and large footprint may not suit smaller kitchens. While it excels at handling complex recipes, it lacks dishwasher-safe components, which may add extra effort during cleanup. Additionally, customer feedback suggests occasional connectivity issues with the Wi-Fi feature. This product is perfect for families or individuals looking for an innovative, one-stop cooking solution that saves time and effort. Its culinary versatility is unmatched, but the price and lack of dishwasher-safe parts may deter some buyers. If you're a fan of Chef Kapoor's recipes or enjoy experimenting with global cuisine, the Chef Magic is a solid choice. At number 3, we have the ChefRobot Smart Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper. This model shines with its spacious 12-cup BPA-free bowl and powerful 600-watt motor, making it perfect for handling large batches of food. With 6 automatic functions and durable stainless steel blades, this processor simplifies meal prep tasks like chopping, slicing, pureeing, and even dough making. Its detachable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The ChefRobot's design is sleek and compact, despite its high capacity, making it an excellent option for kitchens tight on counter space. Its adjustable speed control allows for precise operation, which is particularly useful for recipes requiring consistency. However, customer reviews note that its ice-crushing feature may not be as powerful as advertised, and the build quality feels slightly less premium compared to higher-end models. Ideal for families that need a reliable, high-capacity food processor, the ChefRobot delivers robust performance at a reasonable price. Its ease of cleaning and intuitive design are major highlights, although its performance on harder ingredients might leave some users wanting more. Overall, it's a great value pick for everyday kitchen tasks. At number 2 is the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor. This compact model is perfect for small kitchens and quick tasks thanks to its patented stack and press design. With a 3-cup bowl and 350-watt motor, It's ideal for chopping, pureeing, and emulsifying everyday ingredients like onions, nuts, and dressings. It even features an oil dispenser for easy preparation of dips and sauces. The build quality is solid, with durable stainless steel blades and dishwasher-safe components for effortless cleaning. Its user-friendly design eliminates the need for complex locking mechanisms, making it straightforward even for beginners. On the downside, its limited capacity and single-speed operation may not be suitable for larger families or complex recipes. Additionally, the lack of advanced features means it's less versatile than other models on this list. If you're looking for a simple, budget-friendly food processor for light tasks, the Hamilton Beach Chopper is an excellent choice. It's compact, easy to use, and delivers reliable performance for its price point. However, if you need more functionality or capacity, you might want to explore other options. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Nutribullet Triple Prep System NBKS 50100. This powerhouse food processor combines blending, single-serve, and food processing capabilities in one versatile unit. Equipped with a 1500-watt motor, it effortlessly handles everything from silky smoothies to kneading dough. The 7-cup food processor attachment comes with multiple blades for chopping, shredding, slicing, and even dough preparation, while the 64-ounce pitcher boasts a vented lid for blending hot soups and purees. The design is sleek and modern, with BPA-free, dishwasher-safe components that make cleanup a breeze. Its vessel recognition technology automatically adjusts the settings based on the chosen attachment, ensuring precision and ease of use. With 11 speeds and a comprehensive accessory set, the Nutribullet Triple Prep system is perfect for both novice and seasoned cooks. However, the product's higher price tag might deter budget-conscious buyers, and its larger size may not suit compact kitchens. For those seeking a premium, all-in-one solution that simplifies cooking and blending tasks, the Nutribullet Triple Prep system is the ultimate choice. Its exceptional performance, intuitive design, and versatility make it the best smart food processor on the market right now. If you're willing to invest in quality, this model won't disappoint. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.